In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact form using a Divi module. So I'm going to put it on my contact page. So I'm going to go to All Pages, Edit, use the Divi Builder, build from scratch, add a row, find the form, contact form, and I'm just going to go with the usual name, email, and message fields. I'll put the title Contact Dev. The success message will show after they filled out the form. So I'll just put, thank you. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Submit button, I'll just put in submit. Can always be changed. So in the email field, that's where you want the message to go. So that would be, in this case, mine, in your case, your email. And I leave this blank because it'll include everything. I don't want to enable the redirect URL, but you could do that and then send them to a success page, but I am using the success message instead, so I won't bother with that. Spam protection is, basic CAPTCHA is already on. I will leave it on, or you could use a service if you prefer. Module link URL, there's not going to be one, so I leave that blank. Background, we can change the color, of course, and all of that, so I'm happy with that. Save. Now I've left this column in case I want to put in phone number, if I had an office address, things like that, so I'll just go ahead and put a text module in there for now. Save it and go build on the front end so that we can see what we're doing. Okay, here we go. So here's the contact form that we have. And you'll see that it's already pulled in my global footer, but there's no header on it. That's because I haven't set up a global header yet. But I may not want to because I might want the header to be different on different pages. So I'm going to leave that for now while I make the decision. If you wanted to add more fields, just edit it, and then you add a new field this way, and you call it whatever you want, say phone. This is what would show up on the form as the title, as you can see. And the field options are right here. I'm going to leave it as an input field. Minimum link, might want to put a maximum link, but that's up to you. All symbols, do numbers only, I would imagine. Required field, you can turn it off. So let's go back and look at these fields here. You can rearrange them just by dragging and dropping. And that's all it takes, except for the design, whether or not you want a header, what you want to put over here in the text field. Let's say, for instance, and I'll link this, copy it, put in a link, type in mail to, and then the email address. So you can put in your phone number and whatever else you want if you had a physical address for an office. I work from home, so I don't want to put that in there. So that's good for now, just to show you. And this is a little large for that little bit of information, so I'm going to change the column structure to this one. That makes this a little bigger and this a little smaller. Of course, you can change the coloring. You can add a background color. The design in the fields. You can make the background color of the fields different. The fields text color. So on and so forth. You can just go through here. They automatically have the paddings. So I'm happy with that. Going to assign the font. I'm happy with all of this, so I'm not going to worry about it. And save. That's that. Simple.